The present simple tense is a crucial grammatical structure in the English language. It is used to talk about habits, routines, general truths, and facts in the context of fashion. The present simple tense can be used to discuss ongoing trends, style preferences, and common fashion practices. One of the most common uses of the present simple tense in fashion is to talk about timeless trends or classic styles that never go out of fashion. For example, the little black dress is a wardrobe staple that is always fashionable. People often say, the little black dress never goes out of style. Another way the present simple tense is used in discussing fashion trends is to describe recurring or cyclical trends. For instance, florals are a pattern that tends to come back in style every spring. We might say, florals are a popular trend this season. Furthermore, the present simple tense is used to talk about personal style preferences. For example, someone might say, I always wear black, to indicate that wearing black is a consistent part of their personal style. In addition, the present simple tense is used to make general statements about fashion. For example, skinny jeans are popular among young adults is a statement that reflects a common fashion trend. Moreover, the present simple tense is also used to discuss fashion industry practices. For instance, designers create new collections each season is a statement about the regularity of the fashion industry's production cycle. In conclusion, the present simple tense is an essential tool for discussing fashion trends, style preferences, and industry practices. By understanding how to use this grammatical structure effectively, ESL students can better communicate about fashion in English. Remember to look for patterns in your research in order to identify the most relevant keywords and phrases. Happy writing!